Howdy. Welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living. You like pizza? I like pizza. And I found a simple 2-ingredient pizza dough that make pizza making at home so simple. You just wonder why I never tried to do it before. I add my 3 cheese ingredients to the top, a little bit of pepperoni. It's perfect. Want to come see how I make it? Follow me along in this video.
My God, what did you eat?
Tastes like yogurt.
Kind of cheesy, huh, neighbor?
Yeah, that's my special 3 cheese ingredients. You like it?
You know, they say cheese was made by accident 4,000 years ago because someone left it stored in an old cow's stomach.
Wow, that's some pretty old cheese. Hope I never end up tasting any of that. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Just remember, when the going gets tough, the tough find something to eat. The best way to do that is to cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living, making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. Thanks again for watching.